me with England. Now, FA Cup final asset. Manchester City against Chelsea. After say over the weekend, Chelsea winning 1-0 against Leeds United. City SS Southampton 2-1 no. Meaning say we are going to have City, Arsenal, and as a City, Chelsea at the Wembley for the final of the FA Cup. About some final here, baby. After say Enra, and now on 2 teams now moving to the final. No, now Chelsea are reaching the 17th FA Cup final. City are reaching the 15th FA Cup final. Meaning say final no. Chelsea are reaching more finals than City. Name the team are reaching the most final in the FA Cup history. I am Man United. I'm reaching 22 times.
We need our records back.
Yes. Then Arsenal mom na achieve most titles in the FA Cup. Name I'm reaching 21 finals. Then Chelsea 17, City 15, Liverpool 15, Newcastle 14. Name once I said United and now reaching the most finals in the FA Cup history. But na kra City and Chelsea they go so City and say we are very consistent. I believe say in the last 4 years they've reached 3 finals. So I'm go so ko money man. But therefore this final everybody know. Now between these two clubs, City and Chelsea, in the entire history, already 2 finals unbuyable with themselves. Chelsea, City, 2 finals. The first one here 2018-2019, a League Cup final, no, and no, a City for the JSA Cup, no. Then in 2020-2021, almost our Champions League final, and also no Chelsea and a J. So in 2 finals, I have between Chelsea and City, no, 1 win for Chelsea, 1 win for City. Meaning, say you was FA Cup final we are about the 3rd meeting. And the Bakobe say me a superior over the other. A true cup final. But yet this come away now. We also know say from that final where Chelsea for GF City for them and Champions League final, no, from that 2021 up until this time, Chelsea and City for that. It has never happened 5 years in a row. On sharing that, it has not happened. Meaning say, final go room no, a City for club no, and your favorite to win the cup. And when you combine that to say Chelsea for club no acquire the last 6 finals are 6 finals are domestic finals no, Chelsea win it. And say about final na England. Chelsea for to win the finals England in the last 6. Carabao Cup 2019, Chelsea for Lusui. 2020 FA Cup final, Chelsea Lusui. 2021 FA Cup final, Chelsea Lusui. 2022 Carabao Cup final, Chelsea Lusui. 2022 FA Cup final, Omu Lusui. 2024 Carabao Cup final. So you have domestic titles, IF Cup matches. Chelsea do the last 6. And that says no, Omu Lusui na. The 7th one. Against City, no. As I said, going into this final, a Man City and your favorite to win the cup.
Okay.
But Yamea don't want. It drew 1 better 90 minutes. Wow, tactics. Wow, who players limit Nyabo. Wow, Ubanya the day when I be winning. But these are the records.
That is the income best for the Babum. What be your day? Oh, that is about Kumburu.
Oh, but say a year. McFarlane and City bo 1-1.
And was Yabinan the first
win
as an interim coach for the Chelsea.
Yeah.
But then note time of 1-1 and what was the state of City?
Okay. And also say there are parameters around this.
Yeah.
And one of them is a Chelsea for in domestic cups. But reaching 6 finals are all we need in the last 6 times. Meaning say you say no or cup final now you domestic now you fear ultimate winning. And see how they are going to go about this. On the game itself, or for as I said, Chelsea club now winning a game now by 1-0. and it was kind courtesy Enzo Fernandez. Now na me ne kwaku na yete na ebisa nkomo wi na me ka chere say the decision say Liam Rosinho catch na kola we say wa ban no for next 2 games no, it was wrong because there are times all no more haba e bia sa player me hia no enti me hia no nti no say suspend na na ball wa mobia mini problem maybe at the time now who here player no, you can't tell me say our best player, one of your best actually was my suspend you at the time I'm able 2 crucial games you are playing against City and you don't have Enzo Fernandez not me have a game no. So it was wrong at the time. But Enra, he was the MVP, he was the orchestrator, and he was the personal or man club by Chelsea that edge to win that game. It's a poor game, no. Not Callum McFarlane, because of the idea it happened here. Alright, for semi-final now you're born and run. It is the second time repeatedly. Chelsea release about the semi-final of the FA Cup. Chelsea are winning game no by 1 goal to nil. The first time was in 1967. That was Wembley here. 1-0. Enra 1-0. The same final. Same final win on boy 3 years later. Ombenya make us say the bloodbath of 1970. Aya red card on 10 or single match, you know. It was 3 years after this. I had arrived in Chelsea. It started in 1967 when they played in the same final at Wembley. 1-0 Chelsea winning. Enra 1-0. So it was one repeated from the 1967 time. But for Chelsea phone come ya yedi. Yedi come on na besi Liam Rosinho.
SOMPA.
And near man here ka for Liam Rosinho. Papa, it was surprising to know say Enra every single thing that Liam Rosinho Chelsea for club no, omo reverse no, total 360. Nothing, not even one did I see. The way he likes to expand his fullbacks. Allows one middle, 1 midfielder to stay. And now the whole time now a Romeo Lavia and was this guy said playing the double pivot, they are all staying. But Liam Epe 1. Now a man consider calling him to be a number 10. Every single tactics I make us say yeah. Liam Rosinho to the boys, no. And what they weren't using that. Now they went back to the Enzo Maresca time, where our brand here friend of Enzo Fernandez played as a left-sided midfielder. And I'll take you through it. But for Liam Rosinho against our boy, you know, he didn't even keep 1 clean sheet in all the games. Then now for the first time, he kept a clean sheet.
Rosinho keep clean sheet in FA Cup.
Oh, FA Cup, no FA Cup. What the FA Cup game card we want to say about you? So me say games na pot wo ye mathematics ah.
We obi anyo bi FA Cup.
What for na reward League 1 mo.
Enye but ono so na ibo be do sa level na boy. I think Portville ya the Premier League team.
Or if we me say. So the Portville here example. So about Premier League games now want to keep clean sheets. This is a Premier League team. They've never kept a clean sheet against a Premier League team.
Okay, Martin.
But it's a keep a clean sheet.
Okay.
And Appa, if you look at the way they were playing yesterday now, Appa, there's difference on the way. Our mobile games under Liam Rosinho and the way mobile under our friend Callum McFarlane. Oh, I saw this image yesterday. My name is Kakra. This is Chelsea for captain. Rhys James. Time our mobile game the way our common fans now. Callum McFarlane didn't train our mobile museum. When a player now I got training the number, I would do on Rhys James here piano. I call the fans.
Yeah. And the picture about Kwan was Sreka Cranny.
Of course, of course.
Because I'm so doing the picture I was Sreka Fabra.
Or I will picture you about media.
We know to say, I want to say about Nenu or smiling or one more kakra.
If you ask just for Henko for they tell us, Papa, we don't understand about the problem. When you coaching license, I do have FIFA Pro license E.
So
oh, I'm saying, Is there a certificate that will be a decision for Bob? If Bona, Liam Rosinho born. now they compare game and no McFarland boy na catch us say Leon Rosinho FIFA Pro license A no na we ni binti no Chelsea for up 2 months and a provisional or 12 weeks to stay on the bench. Moko isa make us say license no 12 weeks no e dey man onu nti o te one ma o coach ya to surprise you. But wait certificate no only the certificate away from another coach a Premier League team. And even if Chelsea wants him to stay, he can't. Because the certificate may move. But type of football now, my boys, boy, any they have to support our players, no what they make Kalu McFarland, no. They didn't have that support for our partner, your friend, Leon Rosinho. And this is you have seen it happen so many times. Papa, you want to get Mangasa. And I was not people complaining about person that are starting the game. But Kalu McFarland had an idea in his head. And I said, apparently a friend person that was limiting a branch of friend. Therefore, I'm telling you, say one of the most dangerous forwards in the Premier League this year, Dominic Calvert-Lewin.
Sure.
The T, the footwork, goals, watch it. And if Leeds were going to score, it was either coming from Calvert-Lewin and Okafor. And the Kalu will say, in order to limit the influence of Dominic Calvert-Lewin, no, and say a man market about the free game. There are two sides to everything. One side there, Papa, knowing the advantages of your opponent and trying to counter them. Then the next one, I say also, Nema also with me that hate your opponent, you know, you maximize it. And there was a time I was getting the Chelsea for fans the moon. Time at least 4 years substitution, no. Now for the next maybe 4 or 5 minutes. Not Chelsea for club come across the least for Chelsea for so. Then you who ya say McFarland a catch Sanchez say on transit. Sit down, you say we plan. Pressure was no free players, the players in Amra. And from that time, give me sign and normalize it. So it tells you say there are times that maybe in-game management, and I've always said, so your coach, in-game management should be one of the tennis apart. You are hands-on on it. Because the one thing you have problems in the way game to manage the game. It was just only 1-0. And the Kalu McFarland had a way to manage that game. And he did it. So, the reason why I tossing the ball game, no, I say, Calvert-Lewin limit his abilities on the ball. Then, if you have people who complain, and Abanzana, Kopamaya, Villa, one starting game, no. But the way leads for a pressing, the way that they are energized, player apa only full game fitness. Or the boss are getting now. One way you are not going to crack. So, Tranchema, a branch of Ganacho more. Then Ganacho was in it. I'll come back to the argument after the game. People started having whether Papa should start both Enzo and Kupama in the same game. I've always said that. They all want to play as a number 10. So sometimes you won't have to say, but they all have what they bring different to the team. So that was a little bit of an idea upon the buy. But I didn't name him say, Chelsea first had lacking confidence. So if I'm lacking confidence in a way, so if you are a very good coach, what can you do this okay? My players know, I didn't want to move form. They're making mistakes. They are quite clear. And Chelsea for mistakes so not a build up. Chelsea for a build up now. Now teams are finding out how Liam Rosinho build up now. So immediately they start trying doing build up now. Teams press them. I'm not press you. I'm not mistakes. Don't Chelsea share. There are so many examples, especially in the Champions League. Edu baby, Sanchez mistakes nibi. There are goalkeeper mistakes nibi. Emma do a bit of Omogazo, Adena, all for we end them, we end them. Ninga, I have built up problems. But what do you do? Me players need to make barrier, they are low on confidence. What do I do? There be me problem, yeah. One ball for in sim. Then what do? We fight for the second ball. And to the first thing I was very happy about. Some who said, Callum McFarlane, aye, ne long ball stand up and all ball. Pick a ball for one, be no problem. Pick a ball for him. Because Chelsea's players are long confidence when they are trying to build up. And to the first go kick the bar. Now, Mr. Chelsea for because Chelsea for try and make that better. I say, we now want to players to go, move out. We now players in Amco. And the players, the distribution of Robert Sanchez became key. And Sanchez ever targeted players. No, this we are very good in the air. No, Peter Ball was outside. And when they jump, Papa, the Chelsea fight for the second ball. And then I bring a fish out the way. What? A fifth one. Lee shot for airborne on one day. A branch a friend. Ethan and Padu. And Lieutenant Canabai. Chelsea came with 3 robust midfielders. Enzo, with Caicedo, Romeo Lavia. And so pay up on the ball to a fifth. Now, Ebia, João Pedro, Etika Bona. You take crown can. Sir, Bishop won't pay more the ball about Chelsea as players of what they were with you. You battle them. No matter about the ball. So Chelsea for as I said, or win the second balls. Because first balls, where's the ball there? Papa didn't nimpa the fa mechanic saying leads from high pressing. But they will press you. Chelsea for instance will long confidence. SOMPA so with that ball the ball bad yeah. Then allow you Tanaka. Anyone guys say they want to battle for it. And Papa Enra give them boy no. Romeo Lavia. When this guy said, what was I tell you almost ball in the first half especially. The way they were playing the game, no, it was different from what we saw on our opponent, friend, Liam Rosinho. And when they battle for it, no pick up one, but one of the records resulted to the goal now, Chelsea for share. One forced turnover. I'm watching ball in P and ball in the man, Neto, yeah, 1 or 2 dribbles or pick up on the Simona, Enzo, and head the ball on the team. And see, the first idea, not to make the build up from the back, never go long balls and fight for the second balls, no. It was a very good plus and it's a very good see from a opponent friend mechanic saying Callum McFarlane Enzo Fernandez. You see, you're big game players, or no matter how they are big game players. It is all game now, one day we see almost so that they play the way they play. And what? Yeah, ball game no. One of the reasons why Meka said they went back to Enzo time no. Yes, how do we? The position a branch a friend no. Enzo Ekopai. And most of the time, I didn't hear Nimfa.
Very tight.
Yes, I didn't hear Nimfa Enzo Maresca home. The left side triangle son will make you know. Sometimes João Pedro. No about Enzo, no about Kukwera in a triangle. That way. Just to make sure say on the maximize the left side. Because him just outside on so much quality or after not only now James my James buying or so would decentralize any man. But at the time James in my Papa, he had this idea in his head. Kukwera, Enzo Fernandez, and João Pedro Neto. But Pedro was on the right side in Tenona Ganacho. And Callum McFarlane Epic the same idea now. They try to play on this side until there's an opening. Actually, Enzo created a chance to be the man. I can João Pedro. How Pedro head in a ball on a foul. Go push. So this was the time. So they will play at this end until there's a space for them to either cross the ball and I'll find one of these players in this middle. And it was always effective for club and for Chelsea. So I think I don't know how long Callum McFarlane will stay, especially by material season. No. I don't know the type of results he's going to get from this. But I know a game now boy and was a good watch. We are just seeing whether he's going to be consistent and other players will help him be consistent. But the results now Monsaka. First game under him, clean sheet. Santana went many in the last 13 games. And in the Premier League and are playing against Premier League teams. So we are just looking at how they're going to continue and deal with this. But for our part, branch away, I don't know how Chelsea are going to deal with this issue. Two of them, Mekan Branty Mimi.
Kupama.
Permanent Enzo. I know they're going to deal with this issue. Omo nyina abo Arsenal born. Apa omo hia two defensive midfielders to play behind them.
Okay.
Maybe later. So if Palmer is fit enough, maybe a Callum will drop one of the wingers. No, make Kupama available on the left side. Say their own stay no more on the left. But Palmer wants to play as a number 10. Enzo wants to play as a number 10. Enzo influenced Chelsea team no more when he's playing as a number 10. The same thing applies to Kupama. So this is a very delicate situation for Chelsea with him now. And I want to see how Callum McFarlane will deal with it. And now maybe the next coach will deal with these two players playing as number 10s and playing and as being the creators of the team. But all in all, no, Enra was a good first, because the second day on the job, Edmar Apaya friend Callum McFarlane. Yeah, whether he will be able to continue and get that wins now among Saka for team. So about my member Chelsea for our so we are waiting for the final. As I said, since 2021, among share club now you're finding City for another. So yeah, we are in the final and there is going to be that breakthrough for them, because actually the last final my boy and that global stage, you know, Chelsea for them when they given by 1-0. And yeah, why they will be able to do that for the first time since 2021, beat City and win the cup final. But you see here, City are still the favourites on by winning FA Cup for this season.